Dice is on the beat.
Hi guys, I'm C. Welcome to my channel. So I will be showing you guys today how I dyed and applied this wig. I got it from Amazon and I dyed it like a cinnamon color. So further ado, just keep watching the video and you'll see how I completed this look. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna get a bucket and you're gonna fill it halfway up with warm water. I just used this because it was more convenient, it was on hand. Next, you're going to begin to add your dye in. I added 75% of the bottle and I used the Adore Cinnamon. And you're just going to mix it till it's fully dissolved. After this, you're going to begin to test it with a piece of paper towel. And if it's the color that you want it at, then you could begin with the dyeing process. If not, add more dye in. Then you want to begin dipping your wig in lightly. And then you're going to just start submersing the full wig in there. And then you're going to let this sit for up to 30 minutes. Now coming back to it, I just squeezed out the dye residue, and then I got my Iso Plus, which is like a neutralizing shampoo and conditioner, and I wash my wig out. And then I come back and I re-wash it out with my own shampoo and conditioner. At this point, this is where I'm drying the wig, and I start drying it in like a back towards the head motion, just so when the wig sits that it'll sit towards the back of the head. Now this is where I got my stocking cap and I put it over my head. Actually, I put some Got To Be glue on my edges before I put this on, and then I got the same Got To Be glue and I just applied it over top of that. Next, I'm going to grab my Got To Be glue free spray and I've sprayed this around my edges as well, and then I'm going to get my spritz to add more hold. And then I'm going to get my dryer and put it on cool and blow dry until it's dry. Now I'm just cutting around, pulling back on the stocking cap to where it needs to be at, and then fitting the wig on top to make sure that it's at where I want it to be at. Now I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to start cutting. Cut as close as you can, just so that when you go back to lay it down, it's not a lot of excess to lay down. Now I got some more of the Got To Be glue gel, and I just applied it around like the border of this just to lay those frayed ends down, and I just blow dried it on cool. Next, I got some foundation or concealer that is around my skin color or a little bit lighter, and I just started applying that on the cap. Now at this point, you want to take your 91% alcohol and you want to clean around the border just to make sure that you don't have any excess makeup on your forehead. Then you want to take your wig and put it on. You are going to get that same concealer that you used and you're going to make an outline. This will help you for when you're placing the glue so you don't put too much excess or have not enough. Now the glue that I'm using is Escher Lace glue, and you're going to want to apply 3 coats of this, and I use a plastic butter knife to spread this evenly, and then I got my blow dryer and I put it on cool and I blow dried it. So now I'm bringing my wig up close by the line just to make sure that it's matching up, not sticking it fully. Then I get my pintail comb and I start pulling out borderline hairs just to push it towards the line. This will help you a lot, like a lot. After that, I get the same alcohol and I start to wipe off the concealer markings that I had made prior. Then I get my Escher Lace glue, put on my pintail comb, and then I start applying it to the pieces of the lace that was not laid down. Now I start pulling out borderline hairs, and I start laying them down with mousse. Then I get my Got To Be free spray and I spray that same lace, and I get my comb and brush out the hair so it's not sticky too, and then I get my black wrap and I lay those down and wait till it's dry. After it's dry, I go back through and I cut the edges short, and then I go back and cut a little bit more to my liking. Now I'm laying my edges with Gorilla Snot, and I got this edge brush from the hair store, and I'm doing like a 1 swoop in the middle and 2 swoops on the side. Then I get my hot comb and I start to go towards the top of the head just to lay it down flat on both sides. This is after I made my middle part. Then I get the same black wrap and lay those edges down. Now while those are drying, I get the mousse, go back through the hair just to make sure that it's laying down. I get my comb to brush through it, then I go back and pluck through the part and I add a little bit more concealer to it to make it look more real. So yeah, this is the finished product. Oh yeah, okay. I knew y'all was waiting for it. Thank you guys for watching my first tutorial on YouTube. Please stay tuned for more. I'll be dropping more videos, more tutorials, and so on. So just subscribe and like the video and let me know what you guys want to see